Well, it's 9 a.m. There's our sun. And got a lot done this morning. This was the first day. Moved in. This was just a big scattered pile of stones. So we found an area. I think that was where it used to be. So we have to take the metal detector, check it for nails. Usually I do that before I back in anyhow. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I tell ya, I love the new step I got. It's like wider than the last one, sturdier, stronger, better. So we put all the wood in a pile and built this and packed it with little rocks from the inside out. And then just kind of filled it up with some dirt. And I actually lined a little bit of the bottom, but I just wanted to burn off my garbage. Cardboard, Amazon packaging, mail packaging, and some of Mika's food containers, and that's it. Nice and safe. Beautiful. It's nice out here. Oh, and of course, because the sun's only going to be out, they say, from 8 till about noon or 8 till 1. Of course, you know I'm going to be cooking and using it because I just got out here, so I'm stocked. And we got 3 chicken leg quarters in there with some Campbell's slow cooker chicken sauce, which is pretty good. A dash of Lowry seasoning salt on the top, just that's it. And what is that? That's a portobello mushroom with spinach, mozzarella provolone, and I think there's even Romano in it. I didn't make it, I bought it made. And I think they put paprika on top. I mean, that's just a logical guess from those. Could be Cajun seasoning. But they're really good, so of course I got more. And they turn out really good inside here. So I thought, well, why not mix it with the chicken, right? You know? So that already got warm. That's been going about a half hour already. So it's just starting. I can't wait to get a thermometer. I got a thermometer I'm going to order so I can have a thermometer. There are some Bluetooth ones where you put the sensor inside, no wires, and Bluetooth to your phone, but I just don't want to. I mean, it sounds cool, but I don't want to mess with it, you know? Yeah. Mika, she's busy. We parked by her gopher holes on purpose, intentionally, so it would be easier to keep an eye on her. Generally. Not always the case. She just went inside to eat. But yeah, she's busy. This will keep her entertained all day. For sure. It's beautiful out here. It's nice. It's nice. I love my backyard. That first day, you know, is always a little, I don't know, just getting things organized. Every couple weeks. Just picked up a nice rock. Could have used that when I lined the bottom of it because it's nice and flat. I like using nice flat rocks for the bottom. But either way, I'm sure in the next 13 days we'll have a much bigger firing. Alright, take care, guys. I hope you're enjoying life and loving it and just having a good time. Why not? You know? Why not? Wow. Yeah, it's nice out here. Alright, take care. Enjoy.